Welcome once again to my Vedic Maths classes. In today's class on Vedic multiplication, we will learn how we can multiply using sub-base. So first of all, we will understand what a sub-base is. Let us now take a look at the question number 1, 24 times 29. We can see that these numbers are close to 20 or 30. So numbers like, as we learned earlier, 10, 100, 1000, these are called bases. But numbers which is 2 times 10, 3 times 10 like 20, 30, 4 times 10, 40, 5 times 10, 50. These numbers we will call as sub-base, and when numbers are close to these sub-bases, we can very easily and quickly multiply in our head or in 2 to 3 seconds or maximum 4 seconds. So let us take a look at how we perform these multiplications. In the present example, we can see 24 times 29. Now let us consider here base as 10 and sub-base as 20. The number 24 is 4 more than the sub-base, or we can find number minus sub-base. So number is 24 and sub-base is 20, so 24 minus 20 gives us 4 plus 4, and 29 minus 20 gives us plus 9. Multiply these two numbers in the right hand side, so 4 times 9 is 36, sign will be plus only, and you cross add because here there is a sign of addition, so 24 plus 9 is 33. Even on adding this way, you will get the same number, that is 33. But remember here, the next step would be, if we have taken base 20, actual base was 10, so we will multiply the left hand part by 2 because sub base is 2 times the base, so we will multiply by 2. And right hand side we will write as usual. So it is 36 here, and this will become 33 times 2, 36. Now as the base is 10, so right hand will have just one digit, so we will add this 3 to this 6, so it becomes 6 and 3, 9, and the answer will become 696. So that is what I have written over here, 696. That is our answer. Hope this is clear. Let us take a look at few more examples. In the example 2, we have 65 times 63. We can see these numbers are close to base 60. Sub-base in this case, sub-base 60, our base is 10. So 65 is 5 more than the sub-base, number minus sub-base. So we have written plus 5, and here we have written plus 3 as it is 3 more. Now multiply the right hand side, you get 15, and cross adding 65 and 3 you get 68. Now as sub base is 6 times the base, you multiply by 6. This is the only step which is we have to understand. We have not used this step in earlier methods because we were not doing sub base. Now as we are doing sub base, we have to do one extra step, that is the same, this step, and then you get 408 in the left hand side after multiplication, and 15 is in the right hand side as before. Now you add 8 and 1 here, as the reason being you cannot have more than one digit in the right hand side. So 8 and 1 gives you 9. The answer becomes 4095. 4095, and that is our answer. In example 3, we have taken the case where number is less than, both the numbers are less than the base, subbase. So considering 48 and 47, we can very comfortably choose the subbase as 50, and 48 and 47 both are less than the subbase by 2 and 3 as shown over here. Our base is already explained to you, it is 10. So number minus subbase gives you minus 2 here, and number minus subbase in the second case gives you minus 3, and minus becomes plus 6. So I have multiplied here and written plus 6 or 6. In this case you will cross subtract because it is negative sign here. So 48 minus 3 gives you 45. You can get 45 by other way also. 47 minus 2 also gives you 45. Now, as the base is subbase is 5 times the base, you multiply here by 5. So 45 times 5 gives you 225, and 6 here. Now, as our right hand side part has just one digit, we don't need to make any adjustment, we simply need to write these. So 2256 is going to be the answer. I hope the steps are very much clear. Let us try to have a look at the next question, number 4. 78 times 75. Yes, you are right that the subbase should be 80 because these numbers are close to 80. Our base will be 10 only as usual, and number minus subbase. So number is 80, subbase number is 78, subbase is 80, so you get minus 2 here, you get minus 5 here. Multiplying the 2, you get 10 here. And 78 minus 5 or 75 minus 2, you get 73 here. Multiply the left hand part by 8 because subbase is 8 times base. So 8 3s are 24, 2, 8 7s are 56, and 2 58. Left hand side you get 584, right hand side again you have 2 digits 1 and 0, 10. So you need to add this to the previous number. So 4 plus 1 gives you 5 by adding. So our final answer becomes 5810. Sorry, 5850 because 4 and 1 you have added. So 5850. That is your answer. Now, using my calci, I will try to show you the result that we have obtained so far. So first, number 4 was 78 times 75. That gives you 5850, and our answer also here is 5850. Similarly, in this case, question number 3, we have the numbers to be multiplied 48 times 47, and our result is 2256. Let us check our result, 2256. So I hope you have understood the steps that I have been explaining so far. Now, here are few practice questions for you. You will write the answer in the comment section. I will tell you if it is right or wrong. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like it and share it with your friends. And in case you need to contact me, here is my website and Facebook page also. We conduct other classes like SAT, GRE, GMAT, ACT, Math Olympiad, Math Count. So you can contact me through my website. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.